Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the Da Vinci Bridge Water Bottle Challenge. Check this out. If you remember, Leonardo da Vinci was born in Italy in 1452 during the Renaissance. He's considered the most universal scholar of all time. Even though he never went to school, he was taught reading and writing at home. He was the one who painted the Mona Lisa. And this self-supporting bridge that he created had no screws, it had no fastening straps, it was self-supported, and it was to be used by soldiers during times of war as an emergency bridge. All I'm using to build my Da Vinci bridge are craft sticks, a couple of styrofoam plates, and a 16-ounce full water bottle to test the strength of my bridge. In order to make the foundation for your bridge, lay 2 craft sticks parallel, and then put 2 craft sticks that are perpendicular on top of them, so it looks like that. Add a 5th craft stick on top right down the middle, and that's the base of your bridge. The next step is to pick up one side of your bridge and just lift it very gently and slide 1 craft stick underneath one side so it's on top the middle truss, and do the same for the other side so it looks like that. Then you're going to take another popsicle stick and you're going to slide it underneath, and you're going to scoot it down to the end so it looks like this, and then you're just going to repeat the process. Okay, so we've built our bridge, and now I want to test it to see if it's strong enough to hold this full 16-ounce water bottle. So I'm going to lift the bridge, I'm going to put it on these 2 styrofoam bowls, and then I'm going to put the water bottle right in the middle. Check it out. Okay, and now it's time for the moment of truth. I've got it on both of our styrofoam bowls. I'm going to put this 16-ounce water bottle right in the middle. Even though there's no glue, there's no nails, there's no cords that are holding these popsicle sticks together, let's see if Da Vinci's bridge is strong enough to support the weight of this water bottle. Look at that. Get it right in the middle and balance it. Are you seeing this? This is amazing. The Da Vinci bridge can hold a 16-ounce full water bottle made just from craft sticks without any glue. So Da Vinci really didn't have any formal training until the age of 15, when his father recognized his talent for art and apprenticed him to the artist Andrea del Verrocchio, who taught Da Vinci how to be a sculptor and a painter. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.